Supreme quality designed and assembled to guarantee water safety and your health. Remove rate up to 99.999%, including chlorine, taste, odor, VOCs, as well as toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, nitrates, heavy metals, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Experience clean, safe, good-tasting water every time you turn on the faucet. Enjoy crystal clear ice cubes, fresher tea and coffee, better-tasting foods, healthier baby formula, even better than most bottled water. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Mini-size high-flow design. Developed for household and commercial use, this water filtration system can be installed in your kitchen, bathroom, RV, or office. The tested full flow rate is 18 L per hour at 60 psi, which means you can get 1 cup, 200 milliliters, of pure, fresh, and great-tasting water in 5 seconds. Completely satisfied with your daily water needs. Number 2. Easy, do-it-yourself installation, fits under a standard kitchen sink, with all parts included in clear, well-organized instructions and videos. Don't need to waste money on professional installation. Quick and easy to understand design means you can install and understand everything about your new water filtration system. Number 3. Money saving. The reverse osmosis system works without electricity and a 1-to-1 low drain ratio, thereby reducing the amount that you spend on electricity and water. On average, by spending only $50 per year, 13 cents per day, for the filter replacement, you and your family can enjoy safe and clean water. Number 4. Provides you the ultimate satisfaction and peace of mind with our lifetime support and 2-year manufacturer warranty with registration. Number 5. Good water quality from RO membrane. Equipped with reverse osmosis membrane, the system can remove up to 99% of 1,000 plus contaminants. Number 6. 100-gallon water per day capacity. 100 GPD inline RO membrane has water output 100 gallon per day maximum. 0.100 GPD equals 378.5 liter. Enough for 4 to 6 person family use. Number 7. RO water versus drain water ratio. 100 GPD, 260 milliliters minimum, pure water flow with 300 cc flow restrictor, pure wastewater ratio 1-to-1. Note, water pressure should be 4 kilograms per square centimeter, 60 psi, around or above. Number 8. 3/8 Feedwater valve with 2 adapter. Sometimes our kitchen have different of feedwater value. We provide an adapter for extending from 3/8 to 1/2 specification. It needs some Teflon tapes to prevent leakage while you assembly adapters. Number 9. How to fix and release fitting. 3.2 plastic water storage tank, plus food-grade tubing and fitting parts to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. All quick-fitting 1/4 inlet and outlet. If some leakage happens, please discharge and re-fix it. Note: cut pipe smoothly without shape change and push to bottom. Number 10. S.U.S 304 stainless steel faucet and drain saddle, supreme quality material. System comes with 100% lead-free stainless steel faucet. We have a longer screw to match the different sinks, no matter it thick or thin. The wall-mounted model is also optional with an L bracket inside. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.